for transforming your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you love a crisp, clean look in your garden, you know that the difference between a good patio and a great patio is often in the details. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial and overlooked elements of outdoor design: patio edging. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is patio edging? Patio edging design refers to the border or trim that surrounds the main paved or decked area of your patio. It's the finishing line where your hardscaping meets your softer elements, like the lawn, a garden bed, or a walkway. This border can be a single layer of a contrasting material, a raised curb, or even a decorative line of stones or bricks. Essentially, it is the design feature that frames your outdoor living space, giving it a professional, intentional, and highly polished appearance. It's the visual punctuation mark that separates one zone of your garden from another. The benefits of having a well-designed patio edging are both aesthetic and functional, making it a critical step in any hardscaping project. Aesthetically, it creates a clean, defined line that prevents your patio from simply dissolving into the lawn or garden bed, significantly boosting your home's curb appeal. Functionally, the edging acts as a retainer. It locks your main patio material, whether they are pavers, stones, or gravel, firmly in place, preventing them from shifting, spreading, or migrating into the softscape. This stability is crucial for the longevity of your patio, reducing maintenance and preventing tripping hazards. Furthermore, it creates a barrier against encroaching turf or mulch, making lawn mowing and garden upkeep much easier and cleaner. Investing in quality edging is truly an investment in the overall structure and beauty of your entire outdoor space. So, how do we decorate our patio edging to look absolutely stunning? The key to decorating your patio edging is to use it as a design opportunity to connect and contrast the different elements in your backyard. To achieve a high-end look, aim for a clear delineation of zones. For instance, if your main patio is light gray concrete, you could use a darker charcoal paver or even a thin line of decorative black river stones for the edging. This high contrast immediately draws the eye and defines the space. You can also use the edging material to echo the color or texture of another feature, like the trim on your house or the color of your outdoor furniture, creating visual harmony. Consider the shape as well. A smoothly curved edge, like in many of our examples, softens the hard lines of a patio, while a sharp, straight edge provides a modern, crisp feel. Finally, integrate lighting. Small in-ground LED puck lights along the edging not only provide safety but also create a magical, resort-like ambience at night, making your patio truly glow. It's all about purposeful material selection and thoughtful placement. Now let's talk materials. What should you use for your edging? Here are the best and most popular options. Natural stone like bluestone, slate, or granite offers a luxurious, timeless look. Excellent durability and color retention. Can be custom cut for precise curves or laid as irregular flagstones for a rustic feel. Clay or concrete bricks or pavers are extremely popular for their versatility, affordability, and ease of installation. They can be laid in various patterns like running bond or basket weave and come in a vast range of colors to match or contrast the patio. Poured concrete like stamped or plain is ideal for seamless, permanent edging. It can be colored, stamped with textures like stone or wood grain, or molded into custom shapes for a monolithic, clean appearance. Corten steel or aluminum edging is the modern choice. It provides a thin, subtle, yet incredibly strong barrier, perfect for contemporary designs. Corten steel develops a beautiful rusty patina over time. Treated wood or railroad ties are best for a rustic, natural, or cottage garden feel. Great for creating raised garden beds alongside the patio. Requires occasional maintenance against rot and pests. Decorative river rock or cobblestone is often used in combination with another edging material or on its own to create a soft, permeable buffer zone between the patio and the lawn. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best patio edging design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Classic brick border with contrast. A timeless example showcasing a blended, neutral-toned paver patio contrasted beautifully by a rich, reddish-brown clay brick border. This curved edging softly separates the paved area from the lush green lawn. The use of brick echoes the material on the house, creating a harmonious and traditional look perfect for classic American homes. 2. Sleek double band and river rock buffer. A stunning, contemporary circular patio area focused on a fire pit. The main light-toned patio is framed by a double-banded paver edging in contrasting dark gray. Outside of that, a wide swathe of dark polished river rocks creates a permeable, low-maintenance buffer zone, giving a high-end resort-like atmosphere. 3. Large format paver and retaining wall. This European-inspired design features large-format, cool gray natural stone or concrete pavers. The edging is defined by a low, traditional red brick retaining wall that creates a raised planting bed overflowing with beautiful purple and orange perennials, providing dramatic vertical interest and a clear boundary. 4. Brick and stone pathway edging. A great example of extending the theme. The main patio is gravel, but the pathway leading to the lawn is framed by a double course of reddish brick bordering a natural stone path. The brick border provides structure, contrast, and visual weight, beautifully tying the walkway to the red roof and brick elements of the house. 5. Vertical timber block edging. Perfect for a natural or Japanese-inspired garden aesthetic. This design uses vertical timber blocks or possibly old railway sleepers or treated posts laid side by side to create a raised, rustic, and strong curved edge. This material choice is warm, grounding, and works perfectly to retain mulch or a gravel path against a soft planted area. 6. Stamped concrete patio and pebble verge. A beautiful example of a curved, stamped or textured concrete patio in an earthy red or brown color, often used to mimic natural stone or brick. The edging is a seamless, slightly raised lip of the concrete itself, which then transitions into a generous white or off-white pebble and river rock verge. This is a great low-cost alternative to a traditional paver edging. 7. Stamped concrete curb and gravel bed. This design utilizes a custom-molded, stamped concrete curb with a texture mimicking stone or wood, painted in an earthy brown tone. The concrete border neatly separates the lawn from a large garden bed filled with light-colored, decorative landscaping stones like river rock or pebbles, providing excellent drainage and a low-maintenance solution for foundation planting. 8. The formal paver and cobble curb. This exquisite design features a large-format, light gray natural stone that likely bluestone or slate patio with white mortar lines, providing a sleek, modern foundation. The edging is a defined, curved curb made of dark gray or black cobblestone or small pavers. This creates a crisp, permanent separation from the vibrant red and green foliage, incorporating subtle low-voltage lighting for nighttime drama. 9. Seamless poured concrete curb. Illustrating the ultimate clean line, this design uses a continuous, smooth poured concrete curb with a gentle wave. It's simple, highly effective at separating the lawn from the mulch bed, and provides a durable, understated border that lets the house and landscaping take center stage. 10. Raised wood planter edging. This modern deck design uses the material of the deck like composite or treated wood to create built-in raised planter boxes and borders. This cohesive look eliminates the need for a separate edging material and integrates the garden directly into the deck, perfect for small urban spaces and multi-level designs. Wow, what an incredible range of ideas! From the sharp, modern look of stone and steel to the rustic warmth of wood and pebbles, patio edging is clearly the secret weapon of top-tier landscape design. Remember, your edging design should reflect your home style and meet your functional needs, whether it's structural support or simple aesthetic separation. Which one of these ideas is inspiring your next weekend project? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more amazing home and garden tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our next design breakdown. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.